Well, today was a huge rally. Makes me suspicious, makes me really nervous. Um, I just I just don't have a good feeling about it. It screams cash grab to me with all the news, all the headlines, all the new infections that are being reported. Six more people have died, 100 more cases here, more cases there. Everyone's freaking out. We know the economic repercussions of this could potentially be huge if factories shut down, if offices shut down, if schools shut down. You think like, so what if the school shuts down? But if the school shuts down, no one's getting paid, no one's working, families aren't going out for dinner, parents aren't going to work because they have to stay home with their kids. There's a huge ripple effect um, that could be catastrophic. Maybe it won't be, but it could be. And when I see after a humongous sell-off from last week, markets then level off and then skyrocket like they did today, it just screams cash grab to me. And I would hate to think that people are getting in at these levels today. Long term, it's probably fine. If you're buying today, maybe not the best idea. Maybe last week was the best idea, would have been a better idea to start buying. But it just makes me suspicious. It just makes me feel like all these institutional investors, right? The guys with the billions and billions of dollars, we're saying, we know this is going to be bad. Last week was terrible. Let's swoop in really quick, load up on some good stuff, sell it tomorrow, lock in some humongous profits. Look at this on the news right now. It says 6 corona death viruses confirmed in Washington state. It's bad. It screams cash grab to me. I would hate to think people are buying here today when the market is up 1,300 points. It just makes me nervous. When stocks are crashing 1,000 points and then another 1,000 and then another 1,000 and then another 1,000 and then they're up 1,000. It just screams cash grab to me, and I think that's how people get hurt. They buy at the worst time. They buy at the wrong time. They look at the markets. They don't really know much about markets. They look at it and they go, hey, the Dow is up 500 points. Now it's up 6. Now it's up 7. Maybe this is all over. I'm going to buy now. And they rush in. These are the people who get the hurt the most. The institutional guys will get out tomorrow. If I'm right, I might be wrong, but the institutional guys will get out tomorrow or the next day, lock in massive profits, and the uneducated investors who don't really understand what's going on, who purchased today, are buying at the high of the day, right before a big sell-off. I just feel this is like the calm before the storm. I think what we saw last week is just the beginning, and it makes me nervous for people who don't know what they're doing, because I feel like a week from now, I'm going to be saying, oh, I feel so bad for the people who loaded up on stocks on Monday. Those poor guys. And those are the ones who get hurt the most, because there are good times to buy and there are better times to buy, and then there are great times to buy. Today was not a great time to buy. Today was a great time to maybe sell off some stuff if you had some wins. Maybe today was a good time to say, maybe I have some profits I want to lock in, maybe some losses narrowed. Maybe I'll get out of some of my smaller losses today before, I'm gonna take advantage of this pop in the markets. But I'm worried that some people bought in thinking this is all over, and they're going to get hurt in the next week or month or months. Not a good day to buy, in my opinion. Maybe I'm wrong. If you think I'm wrong, leave a comment below, and we'll see what happens.